number one focus right now in my business, the number one thing I'm spending the most time on is helping freelance copywriting moms generate income from home. I remember what it's like to feel like I didn't have any good options. 7 years ago, I was staring at a business that had just lost 80% of its income, and that wasn't gonna fly, right? I needed to figure something out, and I needed to figure it out fast. I could go out and get a job, and I tell you what, I hated that idea. I hadn't been out in the workforce since way before my kids were born. I didn't even have an updated resume. I knew I'd be starting at the bottom, and where I live, I'd be commuting probably at least an hour each way every single day, 5 days a week. That was only gonna help me spend less time with my kids, which was exactly the opposite of what we wanted. Or could figure out a way to generate some income from home so that we could keep the lifestyle that we wanted and not give up on our dream. I had this one talent, like this one thing. I was a really wordy mama. Like I always called myself the word nerd. I was really good at writing and communicating in a way that was clear and concise and helped move people to take action. And it was like fire. I learned that there was a huge need for copywriters out there, and that if I could teach other women how to replicate the results that I could get, I could help them build businesses from home where they could have the freedom to spend as much time as they want with their kids without worrying how they were going to pay for groceries or gas.